Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi connection problem. For example, if your iPhone Wi-Fi connection is having a problem, which means if your iPhone doesn't connect to any Wi-Fi or a specific Wi-Fi, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down and you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn it off again. The next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn off the Wi-Fi for some second and you have to simply turn it off again. And here you can simply check whether or now your Wi-Fi connects or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the Wi-Fi connection and you have to simply open Wi-Fi settings here. Now what you have to do, you have to simply look for that Wi-Fi you want to connect. First of all, you have to make sure that you have put the correct password, and if you have already checked that the password is correct, and after that Wi-Fi is also not connecting, then you have to simply click on edit and you have to remove that Wi-Fi from your saved list. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open that Wi-Fi again and you have to enter the password again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go back and you have to simply go to general, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you have to find transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, what you have to do next is you have to simply restart your device. For this, you have to simply press and hold your power button and volume button, and after that you will see this kind of interface and you have to simply restart your device. And after restarting your device, what you have to do next is you have to simply go back, and now what you have to do, you have to simply check for the Wi-Fi settings again and you have to simply connect to that Wi-Fi. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back and you have to search for the Apple support and you have to tell the Apple support what is the problem you are facing, and you will get many advices from the Apple iPhone users what they do when this kind of problem occur, and after that you can also get the advice from the Apple support. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.